Yeah,
now let me show you how you land a BA. Gary, there will always.
What the hell was that?
First you have to stay on
You gotta stay on the runway. What the fuck was that? Don't think so. I went way far back because I'm doing a high performance takeoff.
Yeah, I gotta go all the way back because I'm gonna take off almost at like as slow as I possibly can.
Okay, I'm gonna go full throttle, but I'm gonna just try to stay in ground effect, and then go nutso! Nutso crazy!
China cleared.
All ready? We're not taking off together. We're doing one at a time.
Yeah.
Well, you want to go together?
I can. This is not a good battery pack. Go. We'll do it this weekend. I wouldn't have any excuses this weekend.
Gear up.
Gary. Why was it pulling off to the...
I think it's trying to weather vane.
Oh.
Yeah, I couldn't resist. I had to get back there with you. It's too much fun.
You couldn't resist what?
I couldn't resist not flying together. It's too much fun.
Tank over there. I meant to take that off. Shoot, I totally forgot. Touch and go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Pretty much. There have been a few of them.
There's only very minimal.
This one is really good. We don't even flinch anymore. We're just like, okay, we're close. We're like,
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh, I love it. I love it. That's the feeling we want people to feel.
That's a landing for you, Gary. Whoa!
Oh, get on it, get on it. That's the first time I've seen it do it.
It wasn't even nasty either. That was nuts! I was too slow. Oh my gosh.
Well, now you know you can do it, but you're doing about 25 there.
No, I pulled up too much.
I think you pulled up too much, yeah.
30 seconds.
I pulled up too much. I mean, I was super slow.
I see something, say something.
You always go,
Like a little girl.
I don't know, Gary. My landing's
10,
low.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I don't know what it was, but I had to do that to keep slow.
1. Time expired.
It didn't slow down enough though.
looks super cool.
It's like I had to sit there on it.
Alpha just looks so
I had to sit on its tail so I could wait for
It's
you.
like all of this thrust is going nowhere. It's so freaking cool.
Oh, I like how you have to do nothing with the Hawk. It's just slows down. Whoa, Sync. Hello, Sync.
I don't have to touch down either.
No,
That is nuts! What are you doing?
I'm total.
Somebody's time expired.
I know mine did. I'm fine. I'll go for another 3 minutes, no issue.
That is nuts. I'm like, you stopped. What are you
It's
doing?
literally not moving. It's just sitting there. All right, I got it.
Ventral fin's doing that for you.
I'm gonna fly by you because I got to get in the right attitude.
1 minute
There.
over.
Full flap landing.
Yep.
There, I got to hold it like that. Otherwise, I go too fast. There we
Full
go.
flap and a little 5 degrees up.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a little heavy still, but you went 10.
I feel like it might have some weird habits that I don't like.
I can mute the sound. You get too big ahead.
Ah, that was good.
That was a sweet landing, Frank. And you listen. Quick study, man.
Ah, Gary, you're funny.
Oh, hit something weird. That was weird.
2 minutes over.
That is crazy. You're having way too
Oh,
much
I'm loving this. This is
You're
awesome.
having way too much fun.
I am loving it.
He's just like sucking his butt, chilling.
This plane, I mean, especially with this little bit of gyro stuff in there, it's doing exactly what you want it to.
Now, 5,000, Frank, and
Nope.
what? 44?
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
And how many minutes?
No idea at this point.
No.
You're just going off telemetry, right?
I'm just going off telemetry.
All right, this is going to be a weird pull-up, but I got to get it into the right attitude. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. Hello, Gary. I'll be behind you, Frank.
So you set your vibe on, Frank?
Not vibe, just sound and beep.
Mine's singing and
3 minutes over.
too much. I gotta turn the vibe off.
Alright, I gotta land up to this one.
Okay. I'm still good. Yeah, I'm still good.
Never mind, I'm not bad. Gary's like a little kid.
He's all.
Too many of those, man.
This
Put the music and chop the audio.
He's having touch and go orgasms, my God. Ooh. Oh, yeah. All right, you're landing?
No, I finally have some shoes.
Oh, shit, okay. There's sync right there. You just hit it.
It's pretty good.
You see me sag and then the tail turn to the right. It's so much. The rudder actually works on this thing now.
4 minutes
Before it would just
over.
make it roll. Oh, this is too much damn fun. I swear. Woohoo! All right, let me get out of there. I got to get one blast in, then I'm coming in.
Alright, I gotta land this time for real though.
I'm blasting on down the runway, then coming in.
5 minutes over.
Ah,
Gear down.
We hold it in high alpha the whole way around.
and I think I can actually do more flap than this.
It'll start doing weird stalls on you if you put
That's
too
true,
much.
That's true.
You're pretty good right
I'm
now.
pretty good, you're right. You're right, I'm good. I should just... Nice.
Thought you heard I was coming in. That's all right. I got enough videos of that thing. That was fun though. Ah! Dude, I got plenty of power still.
Yeah, I'm at like 22. Oh, Gary, you want to just see my full flap? That's where it's at.
Oh, dude, you need no more than that. What the hell?
You wanna just see
Dude,
my
it's
full
like
flap?
great.
Full flap. That's it.
No wonder why it's like stopping.
Yeah.